back. You're watching No Reservations with myself, Ayeshah Alam Khan, and it is now time, drum roll please, for the double AK round, which basically means I'm going to throw stuff at you and you're going to have to throw it back. It's, I don't know if you ever did theatre, but we have this energy ball exercise that we used to do. So
the first thing that comes to my mind.
Absolutely. Anisa is?
Unique.
Ooh, I love her confidence, I must say. The worst part of your job is?
The lies.
The lies. Your first true love?
My father.
Really? Oh, that's so sweet and so safe. Oh. All right. Anisa, the sassy siren, or Anisa, the bubbly and cute?
Sassy siren.
Any day.
Any day.
Guiltiest pleasure, and chocolate is not allowed to be mentioned here.
I hate chocolate.
Oh, well done.
Guiltiest pleasure has to be music.
Okay. You're a music freak.
Freak.
Okay. I'm going to take you back a couple of questions. When you said what you hate most about your job is lies. The worst lie you've been told? Or the way, an experience that really, really just completely boiled your blood?
I hate being told what I deserve, whether it's good or bad. I hate being told that you deserve to do better or you don't deserve this. Don't tell me what I deserve.
Okay.
I'll figure it out for myself.
Okay, well done. What do you hate most about Pakistani men?
Double standards.
Okay. What do you love most about Pakistani men? But come on, there must be something.
We're not that bad.
What I love most about Pakistani men is that they will always know what I like about this country, which is like Eid in the morning and Judies and the excitement of dressing up like a Pakistani girl and being understood. The fact that you can crack a horrible, filthy joke in Urdu and they will get it, and somebody not from here will never get that.
Yes.
So the fact that Pakistani men get it.
Okay, all right. More skin or hard work?
For me or for somebody else? For me?
Yeah, for yourself.
Hate hard work, more skin.
No, why not?
I'm kidding, hard work.
Hey, take the easy way out. What
Hard
the
work,
heck?
hard work.
Okay. Rate the following play TV VJs in order of your liking. Now, this should be fun. Okay. Guys, I hope you're watching this one.
Okay.
Sahrish, Neema, Amna Rashid, and Sanam.
In order of my liking or in order of how good I think they are?
How good do you think? In order of your liking.
Okay, well, Neema.
Okay.
Amna. Sahrish. Sanam.
All right. When was the last time you had your heart broken?
A year and a half ago.
A year and a half ago. This wouldn't have anything to do with Turkey, would it?
God, they've done their research. I didn't get my heart broken in Turkey. I had everything else happen, including a kidnapping, a death, a robbery. My hand got broken, lots of other stuff. But
are you serious?
Yeah, heartbreak was not one of them. Heartbreak.
Okay, you cannot just put this out there.
I landed in
not
Turkey,
elaborate.
first holiday on my own ever taken in my life, collected all my money, got there. The girl that I was going to stay with, this girl I've been in touch with, died on the way to the airport to pick me up. Yeah. And then I proceeded to get kidnapped by a taxi guy for about 9 hours. He drove me around, took me out of city limits.
This happened all in Turkey?
Yeah, I also almost got taken to some man's apartment and, so ran out of that situation, broke my right hand, stumbled down a hill.
This sounds like a complete action
That
adventure
was just
film.
4
My
days.
God.
Yeah, that was 4 days. It was something to write home about. Heartbreak was not one of them.
Heartbreak is certainly not one of them. No. All right. How did you define that experience? Anger? I mean,
it changed my life. It changed my life. I took things a little more seriously. The girl that passed away was born on the same day of the same year of the same month as me. We were doing the same thing. I had never met her, and I was an hour away from meeting her before she died. So I'm not trying to be kooky. I'm not into that karma stuff. Neither am I supremely religious, but it just made me think for a second. I don't know what am I doing? Like, just taking my life easy, taking it as it comes,
Wow.
being a bit ungrateful about a lot of things.
Wow.
So that changed things.
Okay, fair enough. What kind of man or boy do you typically attract? And I know some of us have these like sirens in our heads. Okay, they go, woohoo, weirdo, come this way, I'm right here.
Okay, so what kind of man do I attract?
Yes.
A broken one. Almost always.
Almost always.
But sometimes
Are you a fixer? Are you a fixer type personality?
I like to fix, yeah. I like to heat.
Okay. Thank you. Let's move on to you, Amean. Describe the perfect photograph in 2 words.
Light and Content. I don't know.
Okay, fair enough. Now, we all know you're hot.
That's good to know.
It's good to know. But I have to ask you this. How many times have you been approached by members of the same sex because you're so hot?
Several times.
Okay. How do you handle that?
Say hey. Not that there's anything wrong with it.
I say hey. Hey.
No, thank you.
All right, okay. Who's the least fun person to photograph? Model, artist, whatever. Least fun.
Somebody who's just not interested in the camera. Because,
Okay.
you meet people, they want to be photographed, but they just don't care.
No, how do you show you care? I mean,
you be a little excited.
Okay.
The camera comes on and
Right.
there's some energy needs to come in.
right.
And some people, they can't perform in front of the camera, but they need to at least make an effort, and some people just don't.
Okay. In 3 words, what do you look for in a woman?
She needs to be smart, has to be a working woman. Third thing, I'm not that picky.
All right. Okay. So you just come up with 2 words. Why working woman? Why do you want her to be a working woman? Any particular reason?
Because
Photographers could lose their jobs any day.
yeah,
Thank you.
we need some support from somewhere or the other. No, I think it's just women or anybody who works have
I
more
agree.
to share.
I agree, yes.
And they bring more to the table, and it's not just money.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Agree with you. All right. If you could turn back the clock just once, what part of your life would you go back to?
The day I decided I wanted to be a photographer, that moment was just wonderful.
Was it really a life-turning moment? Can you describe that moment for us? How did that happen?
Well, you see, I was an architecture student for 2 years. Then I moved to the States, went for interior design.
Okay.
And this professor of mine sat me down and he said, what are you doing? You need to be a photographer. And I tried explaining it to him. He was like, hey, I come from a super conservative Amean family. They're going to freak out if I want to...
Yes.
It's one thing that I've come to an art school. If they find out I want to be a photographer, they'll be like...
They flip their lids.
Yeah. And he said, well, I don't understand where you come from and what's that all about, but I think you need to be a photographer. And that made me thinking. And because that's what I really wanted to do, I just never thought about being a photographer as taking it as professionally. And I remember going to an exhibition of Gary Winogrand, and I walked out of that exhibition and I said, I'm going to be a photographer.
Well done. Did they flip their lids? Your family, that is.
Yeah, in a good way.
All right, okay.
Yeah, they freaked out then. Obviously it wasn't something that went down the system that well, but...
Bacha, tum kya kar rahe ho? Basically.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Your biggest crush?
Keeps changing.
Ooh. So you define yourself as fickle then?
Well, it's you're in a different mood, you're in a different situation, and something,
It depends what's going on at that particular time.
Yeah.
Fair enough. The most stunning woman you have photographed is?
That's a tough one. But I'd say as a personality, somebody in the recent times, Fatma Bhutto.
Okay. Okay. Pakistani men are?
Smart people.
Pakistani women are?
Super smart.
Oh, he's so politically correct.
I know,
Amean J. What does the J stand for? Give me 5 things that the J in Amean J stands for.
Just J on its own?
Just J. Amean Janwar, Amean Jawan, Amean Jamoon.
It's John Mohammed. It's my father. And that's it. It stops there. I am Amean J.
All right. Well, you're not clicking away. You are.
For some reason, I'm always a photographer, and that's something that I'm trying to work on. I need to...
Yes, we spoke about the OCD behavior earlier.
Yeah, I need to be able to leave my camera on this side and sort of live a life.
Not look at us as images and go, oh my God.
Yeah, it's like, hey, I should fix the hair a little.
Exactly. Now, can you imagine, if there's a woman going out, you must really intimidate women who are going out with you because they're constantly feeling like they're under scrutiny. Is my hair all right? Is my earring slightly off? Oh my God. Can be intimidating.
No, I don't get that kind of respect for some strange people.
Oh, really? All right. The most talented photographer in Pakistan is?
Depends on the kind of work.
Okay. It just depends on the genre.
Genre.
All right. Fair enough. Both of you have been phenomenal. Thank you so much for sharing. Honestly, candidly, Anisa, thank you. Amean as well. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
There was No Reservations with our wonderful vixen, Anisa Sheikh. We love calling you that. And of course, Mr. 18% grey, Amean J. All right, next week we're going to be coming in with some more guests, some fabulous guests, with some more wonderfully intimate details to share, which my dirt machine will kick up just for your pleasure. So don't forget to tune in Sunday nights, 9 p.m. right here. No Reservations. I'm Ayeshah Alam. Have a wonderful evening. Good night.